You're a crafty person, and due to this, you have a lot of crafty friends, so what do you gift them? So this video is coming out in the run up to Christmas, but that doesn't mean there will only be Christmas gifts. The main mantra for this video will be, give them the ingredients. Let's say you bake amazing cookies whenever your friend visits. Instead of gifting them cookies, you could gift them dough to bake themselves, or take it one step further and make a jar like this. Just grab a jar and your best recipe, gather up all the dry ingredients, weigh them out, which also lets you gauge if they'll fit in the jar, and then either use a kitchen funnel or spoon to pop the ingredients into the jar. I like using a spoon as it means that you can compact things down if you need a little more room. I also like alternating the ingredients so you get these bands of colour. The final step is for you to write or print out the instructions, include any wet ingredients they need to add, and baking times. These dry ingredient jars will last a while in the cupboard, and now they get to have the fun crafty activity and enjoy the taste of your famous cookies whenever they like. But this doesn't just apply to baking. In a previous video I showed you how to make these candy wreaths, but if you're short on time or want to give the gift of crafting, just give them the ingredients. Box up the ribbon, sweets and hoop and wrap it up. Try to package it much nicer than I do here, and be sure to include a link or QR code to my video for instructions on how to assemble. I've even put together a little gift card that you can print out and pop in the box. I'll link it in the description. This pretty simple concept of give them the ingredients can apply to almost any craft. Just looking back through my recent videos, you could gift a DIY paint by numbers, just print out the custom paint by numbers and provide them with paints. You can rinse out and reuse pots that you've got from previous paint by numbers kits if you need to mix custom shades. Or give them the ingredients for making slime. You could also provide them with a book and a book folding template, or a white base to paint their own Christmas decoration. I actually used Resincrite recently for my birthday party. I used moulds that I already had to create blanks for people to paint, and we had everything from mushroom houses to snails to reindeers. There really are endless possibilities. I think the best part about this concept is that it still shows thoughtfulness. It also saves you time, but can still be customised to suit each person you gift it to, and it means that you get to be a little crafty while still giving the gift of crafting. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave your crafty gift ideas in the comments below, as it may help others that are struggling for ideas. Please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you again soon.